Good afternoon, everyone. Mr. Hammonds here, just reaching out to give you an update on how things are going currently in our reading class. STAR testing is coming up very soon, April the 16th, and so we need to be ready for that. All of my students are capable of showing growth and doing a wonderful job on this test. I have no doubt about that. The data so far this year proves that. How do we get there? Number one, it's very important that students are here every day. I know that things come up, students get sick. Please make every effort possible to be here at school. Secondly, if they do have to be absent, please make sure that you are checking Schoology to stay caught up to date. The main purpose of this video is to invite you to look at your days, look at your calendar between now and April 16th, and let's try to get some time for me to be able to meet one-on-one with your student. It is vital that students who have struggled with STAR testing in the past come in and get some tutoring time. I had a student years ago, she'd never passed a STAR test, and through effort and coming in after school for tutorial time, she was able to pass her STAR reading test. And again, while STAR is not the end-all be-all of who our students are, it is important because not only are students gaining the skills that they need to pass this test, but they're gaining the skills that they need to be successful in life. And that's something that I've been trying to reiterate to students every day, is that we are laying a foundation for future work. And once students get to high school, passing their STAR end of course exam or EOC is necessary. These are important to pass for high school. And so what we're doing now helps prepare them for that. And so please reach out to me with a couple of days advance. You can shoot me an email. Let me know that, hey, Mr. Hammonds, my student's going to come for tutorials today, so that I can have specific work prepared for them in the areas that they need to show growth. And I believe that if we can do that at least 2 days, that students will show growth and that they will do better on their STAR test. And so please keep that in mind. Please, like I said, communicate with me. Let me know when those days would be to help you. Beyond that, I do want to remind you that students do need to be reading for 20 minutes every night, and students do need to be reviewing any notes that we've taken in class. And if work in class is not completed, like several students today did not get their work completed, they need to be completing that at home, okay? All of that is in Schoology, and it is available for them to be working on that. So again, please contact me. Let me know when your students can come for tutorials. I'd be happy to support them as much as I can. And tutorials will last until 4:45, and then they will need to be picked up in the front of the school. So thank you so much for your time. If you have any questions, please reach out, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.